Good morning children. Today we are doing the next topic of natural vegetation and wildlife. In today's lesson, we will learn natural vegetation of the world. Topics are tropical evergreen forests, tropical deciduous forests, temperate evergreen forests, temperate deciduous forests, Mediterranean forests, desert vegetation, and tundra vegetation. Today, each of these forests we discuss in the context of their location, climate, trees, and animals. Let us start with tropical evergreen forest. We discussed about the evergreen forest in last video. The evergreen forest remains green throughout the year as all trees do not shade their leaves together in the same season. The tropical evergreen forest is located between 10° north and 10° south latitudes. It is found in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins in South America, the Congo Basin of Africa, and the Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, New Guinea, and parts of Philippines. The area is marked by hot and humid climate. The region experiences excessive rainfall. The trees here are tall with hardwood and broad leaves. The trees form thick canopy on its top. They cannot be easily exploited for commercial use because the forests are dense and many varieties are found intermixed in a small area. Intermixed in a small area. Let us understand it in a little more detail. Tropical evergreen forests are well stratified with layers closer to the ground covered with shrubs and creepers, followed by short structured trees, further followed by tall variety of trees. In these forests, trees reach great heights up to 60 meter or above. 60 meter, approximately 17 or 18 stories building, or maybe more than it. Surprising, no? If we think in terms of our school, 4 or 5 times taller than it. Now see about different layers in a little more detail. The topmost layer of the forest is the emergent layer. Here the trees reach the height of 40 to 60 meter. They grow taller and taller to receive more sunlight. They often have buttress roots to support the tall and heavy trunks. Below it is the canopy layer. Canopy means umbrella. No? In this section, trees reach about 15 to 40 meters. At this layer, branches grow, get entangled with each other and form canopy. That is, crowns of trees interlock to form continuous leaf covers. The layer below it is termed as understory. This layer is cool and moist interior because of the canopy layer. 70% of the sunlight is blocked. Lianas and epiphytes are common here. Lianas are woody climbing plants that hang down, and epiphytes are the plants that grow on other trees to get more sunlight. The layer below it is shrub layer and forest floor. Together they termed as undergrowth. In the shrub layer, shrubs, grasses, ferns, mosses and fungi grow. At the forest layer, plant growth is sparse because of the lack of sunlight. The trees found here are ebony, mahogany, rubber, rosewood, etc. A variety of animals are found in this region, namely monkeys, apes, bats, lizards, pumas, jaguars, alligators, crocodiles, turtles, snakes, etc. Map showing the area of the tropical evergreen forests. Tropical deciduous forest. Deciduous forest. What are the specific features of deciduous forest? They shed their leaves in a particular season to conserve loss of moisture through transpiration. Right? So, tropical deciduous forest. The forest spread over the countries of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Central America, parts of Brazil, East Africa and Northern Australia. It is also called monsoon forest because it spreads over the Indian subcontinent and receives monsoon rains. The average rainfall is 150 cm. The forests are less dense than the evergreen forest. These forests have dense undergrowth, that is, shrubs and herbs. This is because the sunlight easily penetrates the forest due to lack of canopy. These forests also have a high commercial value due to less intermixing of plant species. The trees found here are teak, sal, sandalwood, bamboo, shisham, etc. The animals found here are mainly monkeys, bears, deer, rhinoceros, leopards, snakes, elephants, etc. Map showing the area of the tropical deciduous forest. Temperate evergreen forest. The temperate evergreen forests are found along the eastern coastal margins of the continent. They lie in the temperate regions of southeastern parts of China, Japan, USA, Brazil, Uruguay, southeastern Australia and New Zealand. The area is characterized by dry summers and wet winters. Both hardwoods and softwood trees are found here. These forests are considered very valuable in terms of timber production. The main species of trees found here are oak, pine, eucalyptus, acacia, camphor, bamboo and mulberry. The animal species found here are rodents like mice, squirrels, porcupines, beavers, etc. Deer, monkeys, antelopes are also found here. The giant panda is common in the forests of China. Map showing the areas of the temperate evergreen forests. Temperate deciduous forests. The temperate deciduous forests are found in the northwestern USA, northeastern China, western Europe, New Zealand and southern Chile. The climate is cool and rainfall is moderate. The trees are not very tall. They have thick trunk and broad leaves. These trees shed their leaves in the autumn and remain bare throughout the winter season. The main trees found here are oak, ashes, maple, sweet gum, cherry, etc. Animals found here are foxes, deer, wolves, wildcats, etc. Map showing the area of the temperate deciduous forest. Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean forests are located between 30° and 45° latitudes. They spread over coastal part of Europe, Africa and Asia bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It is also found in parts of California, Chile and Western Australia. The region experiences dry summer and mild wet winters. They are dense forests with broad-leaved evergreen trees. The main trees found here are oak, fig, pine, cedar, fir, etc. This region is also known as orchard of the earth because of fruit-bearing trees like orange, oak, olives, etc. This region is famous for cultivation of grapes. Deer, rabbits, squirrels, foxes, lizards, snakes, etc. are found here. Map showing the area of the Mediterranean forest. Desert vegetation. The desert type of vegetation is found in hot deserts of the Sahara, Kalahari, Atacama, Great Australian Desert, Arabian Desert and the Thar Desert. These areas experience hot summers and dry winters. The rainfall is very scanty. Mainly shrubs and scrubs are found here. Most of the bushes have thorny leaves, long roots, waxy stems and thick barks. All these features help them to adapt in hot and dry conditions. Cactus, acacia and date palms are found here. Main animals found here are camels, desert fox, antelopes, snakes, lizards, rodents, etc. Map showing the areas of the desert vegetation. Tundra vegetation. Tundra vegetation spreads over the Arctic Circle, the northern part of Canada, Alaska, Greenland and northern Europe. The temperature is very low and the ground is covered with snow nearly throughout the year. These areas do not have much vegetation cover. Some small flowering plants, mosses and lichens grow here. The Arctic willow is a common plant in the tundra region. The animals in this region usually have fur or layer of thick fat on their body which protects them from cold. The reindeer, polar bear, musk ox, polar dogs, etc. are found here. Map showing the area of the tundra vegetation. Thank you and have a nice day. Listen to your parents.